Hey, what's up? It's Mark Terry, and in this video, I kind of want to talk about where we are in the remodeling process here. So I've basically sanded the walls down, mudded the ceiling, sanded it. So the walls are basically ready for texture and ready to go. I have completely ripped up all the flooring, all the wood in here. There's still glue that I need to get up, and I have a solution to kind of help get that off. I ripped out this wall. It was a non-load bearing wall. That's where the closet was, so I ripped that out. I did the same thing over here. This is a non-load bearing wall, ripped that out. This used to be a vanity, and so what we're gonna do is basically put a wall right here. I'll talk about that in a second. Ripped up all the tile. All the tile is gone, took out the vanity, and then I ripped out all the shower in here, all the tile and all the drywall that was in here, all the way up. I cut the copper piping and capped it, so that way I can get the tub out, so that's gonna be next. Actually, the toilet's gotta go, and then this will go after that, but basically this needs to rotate up, and I'll be able to get it out at that point. But next is that, like I said, this used to be a vanity area here with a mirror and a light. And what we're gonna do is, there's two options. One is to put basically a wall right here. And then the option is to have a pocket door right here. So you'd like walk in right here, and then there'd be a pocket door that this would open, and you could walk into the closet, and the closet would be a little bit bigger. That's one option. The other option is to make this just a solid wall and make the closet entrance over here, and then have like a couple barn doors. That barn door would close there, that barn door would close there. So that's the second option. That would make the electrical easier, because with a pocket door, there's got to be clearance for the electrical in this wall. So I could either move the electrical somewhere else, or just put a solid wall and put the door over here. So that's the dilemma right now. But I just kind of want to show the state that it's in right now, because the contractor is coming in tomorrow, and he's going to start framing up that wall. He's going to move the electrical around, and we're going to get this rolling. And I'll talk to him as far as like what we should do as far as, the pocket door or the closet door over, by the window over here. So that's where we're at right now. I have the contractor coming out tomorrow to go ahead and get started on the framing and kind of what to do as far as the two options, and we'll kind of go from there. So I think I'll probably show you how far we get tomorrow, so let's go ahead and do that now. So the contractor just left, and he put in all the framing, but the drywall is not in. He's gonna come back in another day and finish that off. But check this out. We decided to go with the two barn doors instead of that pocket door in the middle. That was gonna be problematic, so we decided to do just a barn door, and they're not going to be able to be open at the same time. There's not quite enough space, so it'll be kind of shifting between the two, but it should be okay. But this is the bathroom. So we're basically taking the bathroom from when it was there all the way over to here. So the bathroom's going to be a lot bigger. We'll have a double vanity there. Like I said earlier, that's going to be changed into a shower. So the bathroom itself is just going to be nice and spacious, a lot larger. And this closet is way bigger than it was before. A lot more spacious, a lot better use of the space. I can put a clothes rack here, here. Then I can have shelving, whatever I want in here. There's plenty of space, and it's actually a full walk-in closet at this point. So this is gonna be really awesome when it's all finished up. Super excited. So I'll keep you posted as things progress. For now, got to figure out what I'm going to do with the floor. I got to order a vanity, and got some mudding to do, and yeah. So if you like this content, be sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.